Caden. Straight to stop right here. Oh my God almighty, look at this thing. Out of gas. What do you think, Caden?
We made it.
Just to the pump. Caden thinks his Jeep might run my Jeep. Like we ain't already done seen what happened when he run my Jeep.
Last time I ran you was a nose-to-nose race with this turd.
Says nose, mine's a turd. Well, what's that mean? It means yours is just shitting on it.
No, it just means mine's gonna outrun you the next time we race.
Ain't nothing but air.
You forgot about the supercharger I put on it?
Listen.
You forgot about that supercharged turbo nitrous.
Well, what's the saying? Ain't nothing but air and opportunity. I just took away the air.
So, and I just took the air. Come get you some. Come get you some.
Good old Sunday fun day. Right here, me and Kaidyn on a little truck. Play around with it a little bit, see how we can do today. I come out here and get the, I need to put the second spring back in the wall. I need to touchy, so we tore it off real quick so I can fix it.
They couldn't give those damn cars away when they came out with them.
My freaking grandpa had two of them. Two of them set in the yard out there for years. And now they are freaking...
They weren't unsuccessful.
Yeah. Yeah, my grandpa had two of them that was blue. They were both powder blue, called four doors like that. And I never would have thought that car would be a cool car like that.
Right.
When I was a kid. See you smiling from here. Like that, like that. Get your lane.
What do you think it ran?
628. I was in the tower.
Oh, heck yeah.
Hey, pull over in your lane. Hey, get your lane. Check out Mr. Moore Mafia here today. Appreciate you coming out here today. Look at old Randy Queen. It ain't in the love machine no more. What we got here? What we got here? Extended love. Extended love. Okay, I like that. We got the extended love. Got a bunch of people out here today. Getting ready for a gambling race. We'll throw Kaidyn in and see how he goes. Hey, we're already here. Might as well pay $20 and let him enter. car today. Loaning out the truck and all that, ain't you? Look at you. Burning the tire. Got first round, Gambler's Race, first two pair down right here. It's first round. Take my time with it. Yeah, don't fuck the red light, alright? We'll be alright. Just pull it there, shallow stage it, stall it up just a little bit if you want to stall it up.
Yeah.
And right, like I said, if you're out only, hit the brake light, just let off of it or whatever. Just at the finish line, the last cone, okay? You'll be alright.
Next up we got Kate Tower. Got a hired gun in front of it.
Didn't slow it down, cut it off.
Hey, son.
Buy back. We'll put a 32 on this bitch, son.
I whopped it like 5 times. I whopped it like a few times. God dang. What? Like,
167, 736, 94.7. Alright, Kaidyn ball back in, put a 734 on it, and he's gonna run it out. Pull it on up. Slow, 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 slow. A little bit more. A little more. Perfect. Chevrolet? Or the Charger?
Hey, he got the dash cam on.
We got the young gun versus each other this round. Look at him. You trying to stay away from your daddies, what you was trying to do.
I'm trying to stay away from everybody that I can.
That 002 your dad done on the tree, you was trying to hide from you. I know what you was doing. He's killing.
I'm that open right there.
Was you?
Yes.
Wow.
I wanted the tree to be like the country.
He spun a minute ago. And it went way off the number. The truck that he was racing, the Dodge truck, he would have went. He barely broke out by 1,000. He wouldn't have broke out. He didn't want it. He'd be racing. Run your race, buddy. I love you.
On to the third round for gamblers. Kate Maytower in the left lane, Jordan Millback in the right.
Hey, that's a good pass straight. Yeah. 37 ahead. 37 dead on. Drill him. Okay, what we need to do now, wait, we want to check out Danny Porter's ride.
First gear, you're in first. All right, listen. Make sure just go in slow and just do your job on the tree, all right? Well, Kaidyn ended up, like I said, went to the finals. So he made 70, Robbie made 100, so it's all right, nothing but a thing. So, good job, Kaidyn, good job, Robbie. Great time at the track. It's about time to do some work on the old Jeep side front differential, or the front drive shaft is going bad, this thing. Yes, y'all can hear that. Give it gas, it does better, but when you turn around and let off the gas and turn corners, it turn around and it's like it wants to go straight a little bit. I'm sure it's something to do with the front differential. About time to put a two-wheel drive transfer case in, a different drive shaft in the front. I've replaced the front drive shaft before, but like I said, about time to replace the whole Jeep itself. Give me something else to turn and burn, pull the trailer with. We get there, we ain't far from home. Kate took her around the block real quick, gonna put her up. Anyways, please like, share, subscribe, and comment. I'll see you one later. Thank you.